my first ever video. So yeah, so to make this slime, all you need is something to measure it, or you don't need to put measurements, but I want to. Food coloring, if you want to add color to slime, you gotta get Elmer's Magic Liquid. It's made with baking soda and contact solution, and then you want to have something to mix with and something to put your ingredients inside, and then you want to get some glue. You want to get Elmer's glue. So first step, you want to pour some glue. You want to pour some glue into the cup if you want to. Well, I'm gonna do that because I like to. So try to pour it in the bowl. Dang it, I got this as slowly as possible. Go. Oh no, okay, almost done. You pour it in your... got all over my towel. I wish I was sponsored by Elmer's. Elmer's has the best stuff. And then you want to pour it in your bowl or plate, whatever you have. Put your slime inside. So, then I'm gonna try to scoop out the rest of the glue left in here. Okay, put this on the side, and then you want to get your magic liquid, and then pour it in with your glue. You can do a little bit at a time, but I'm putting a lot, so because I'm too lazy, because I want to. You want to mix it up. So I'll keep mixing it until you get the perfect slime. So I'll be back until I get the perfect slime. So get back. So you gotta keep mixing until it's not sticky. Or if you want to. Or when it's not that sticky, you can knead with your hand. Now it's kind of sticky. You can get some more glue, some more solution. Pour some more solution inside. And this solution is really like $5, so not expensive. You keep mixing. I'm gonna keep mixing with my hand. Yeah?
What?
So I'm almost done. I'll be right back when I get the perfect slime. So I got the perfect slime. Alright, and so you heard someone calling me. That was my papa. I want to know what I was doing, so I was making a video. So yeah. Here's a slime, and now it's so stretchy. If you want to, you can add food coloring, but the food coloring is gonna make it harder, like not that stretchy. This one is stretchy without. So yeah, here it is. The slime is all white. Put that back in. I'm gonna take this extra slime off inside. So I hope you enjoyed my first video, and I'll see you. Actually, here's the sign. Okay, I hope you enjoyed my first video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.